Okay, and while um my post-apocalypse Ranger Hygiene version 2 kit gets uploaded, as they come. Let's see what goodies we got today. Also, I oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, um, okay. It wasn't, but yeah, I will say right now, unless I'm gonna wait until I get all the stuff I ordered, you know, to do the post-apocalypse RP. So yeah, let's get to on even hand. I did have a box opener with me. So yeah. Anyway, let's see what goodies we got. Okay. Oh, nice. Anyway, first for the for the for September 2024. First thing we got is the Fisherman Dog Tag. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. I've been wanting some of that, something like this. Just because of this right here. That is $9.50. It comes with a descaler, which I know is, yeah, a hook sharpener. Wait, let me tell you what it comes with. So we'll tell me on here because I cannot read for crap. But yeah, this is really nice thing just to have. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, actually on the oh god. Anyway, this tool comes with a okay. It's the same size as the this is the same size as a military issued dog tag. The tool comes complete with a fish scaler tool, fish hook sharpener, gut hook for cleaning fish, fish hook eye cleaner, and a fish hook remover. This fishing necklace tool is a perfect addition to a fisherman's tackle box, beginner fishing kit, or small survival kit. That's nice because that's going to be helpful. That is actually really helpful. Now remember, this is a scaler, not a thing. That's nice. Next, for 1995, the spool cord. Okay, I have a rant. If you're gonna give us fishing stuff, actually, I guess this month can be forgiven because mm, there's a total. Why'd you put this back here? Shouldn't this be a one of those fishing one, those spool cords? I mean, it does. I mean, this is a spool cord, you know, with trap snare triggers, which can be used as lures. Uh, but a repair kit with buttons and a needle. I wish it had a. Um, I get no. I guess you could no. You could probably no. You could probably use this as an all also, and then a fishing kit, which is actually decently sized hooks and decently sized um, um, lows. That's pretty cool. I like, especially because you can do a whole bunch of line. Do like this for like this is for fishing and this for repairing or whatever. That's pretty cool. I like. You know. Then that's 1995 by the way. Then the tip card traveling starlight for $1.85. Um, oh, ooh, that's nice. That is number 24 of 100, I believe. I don't know. Then, also, that's not post-apocalypse. I don't know what it is. Anyway, fishing limb line cord for $5 tip cord, or line trap tip cord. That's pretty cool. I like this. I have a fishing trap cord too, which I saw. Yeah, it's literally for trapping fish. I know. So yeah, pretty neat. I like this definitely. Like these two go together. These two literally go together. And the post-apocalypse Ranger Hygiene Kit version 2 just uploaded. Now I'm waiting for UPS. Hopefully it's the one thing I'm wanting. But yeah, these two go together. I do like they do. Yeah, this could be. Yeah, this could be used as an all because it's big enough. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's this month's subscription. Of course, I mean I can forgive them for not putting in. Like, have you noticed that Grim Workshop puts in these type of business cards instead of the spool ones when there's like fishing stuff? But this month is definitely forgiven because this is a spool card. So that's pretty cool. Now to wait for UPS. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. Like, if this is what I think it is, I can show it because I'm gonna be starting to, do it as a kit. Oh, I need to find duct tape. I don't have orange duct tape. Crap. I gotta go to Walmart sometime this week and get some. I know my regular duct tape is. So. And I'm not. I mean, it is already orange out the wazoo. The knife I'm using. But yeah. Anyway, that's been Grim Workshop for September 2024. Useful stuff, actually. Especially if this is definitely good if you're a fisherman. You're like, you know what? I want a small little fishing kit. Bam, right? That would actually be really good. Also, with my survival cord because some things is a spool cord. Anyway, hope you liked. Peace. Post-apocalypse survival. Peace.